This video is on weight in the customary system and mass in the metric system. So the most commonly used customary units of weight are shown below. We have an ounce is like a pencil and it's abbreviated OZ. A pound is abbreviated LB and it's 16 ounces. 16 of these equals a package of notebook paper. And then it jumps to 1 ton, capital T, 2,000 pounds. So very different units. And 16 of these becomes 1 pound, and then 2,000 of these becomes 1 ton. And a ton is like a small passenger car. So we convert customary units of weight just as we do with customary units of length. So it says a truck weighs 7,000 pounds. How many tons is this? So we're comparing pounds to tons. And up here it says 2,000 pounds is 1 ton. And this is pounds and this is tons. So I've got 7,000 pounds is how many tons. So to do this, I have to divide by 2,000. So divide by 2,000, and 2,000 divided by 2,000 is 1, and 7,000 divided by 2,000 is 3, and that's 6,000. That's 6,000, and then 1/2 left over. So it's 3.5 tons. And I told you a lot of pounds gets very few tons. So whenever you're doing word problems like this, you really have to look at what do I want my answer in. And it says how many 4-ounce party favor bags can be made with 5 pounds of mixed nuts. Well, first I have to turn these pounds into ounces. And to find out how many bags I can make, I'm going to need to divide. So 5 pounds for every 1 pound equals 16 ounces. So 5 pounds equals 16 times 5, which is 80. 80 ounces. Now, I've got 80 ounces of nuts, and I want to divide these into 4-ounce bags. 4-ounce bags, party favor bags. So, to divide those out, I've got to do 80 divided by 4, so that would be 20 bags. And then this one, it says, at a construction site, 3 tons of rocks were hauled away. How many pounds is this? So, 1 ton equals 2,000 pounds. So I've got 3 tons. So how do I get from 1 to 2,000? Times 2,000. And so 3 times 2,000 is 6,000. And so I have 6,000 pounds to haul off. How many people at a banquet can be served 4 ounces of carrots from 8 pounds of carrots? So this is the same as the one I did previously. So you do this one and see what you come up with. Okay, so 16 ounces in every pound, so the total number of ounces of carrots I have is 128. And then I'm going to divide that into 4-ounce servings. So 128 divided by 4 is 32. So this should say 32 people. So now we're going to talk about mass. Now it's the metric term for what's equivalent to the weight of an object. It's how much material an object contains. So it's different. I mean, scientists will tell you it's different from weight, but we compare it to weight. And so a milligram, mg, is like a grain of salt. And like if you think about your little pills that come in milligram strength, that's a whole bunch, 200 of those put together makes an aspirin. And one milligram is very, very small. And then 1 gram, G, is like a small paper clip. And that's like 4/100ths of an ounce. So they're very small. And grams, very, very small. And then a kilogram is like 6 medium apples. It's about 2 pounds. About 2 pounds is a kilogram. So we convert metric units of mass just the way we do with metric units of length. So this one, I'm comparing kilograms to grams. So kilograms to grams. Kilograms to grams. And my conversion is 1 kilogram to 1,000 grams. And what I've got is 5, 4, 3, and 45/100ths kilograms. So how do I get from 1 to 1,000? Multiply by 1,000. And this is times 1,000. Now, we talked about to multiply by 1,000 means to move your decimal point 3 places to the right. So 1, 2, 3. I got to have a loop-de-loop. So my answer is 5, 4, 3, 4, 5, 0. Don't forget that last 0 because you have to put that in. And so now I'm going from grams to milligrams. Grams to milligrams. So grams to milligrams. And up here it says 1 gram is 1,000 milligrams. And I've got 7 milligrams. Well, to go from milligrams to grams, I have to divide this 1,000. So divide by 1,000. So divide by 1,000. And we said dividing by 1,000, you move your decimal point 3 places, 1, 2, 3, to the left. So my decimal point's here, 1, 2, 3. So it's 0.007. And then you do these two and see what you come up with and come back and check your answer. So sorry about this. This actually required you to go from milligrams to kilograms. So you'd have to go 3 to get to grams and then 3 more to get to kilograms. So it would be 0.005. And this milligrams, to get to grams, you'd have to go 3 places to the left. And so it would be 9.4, and 94 is a lot bigger. So that would be bigger. So how many grams are in a 40 kilogram bag of potatoes? So if we're going from kilograms to grams, and there's 1 kilogram to 1,000 grams, and I've got 40 kilograms, this is times 1,000, and this is times 1,000. So that's 3 places to the right. So 40 and then 3 places to the right. It'd be 40,000 grams. I should label that. Wordy because we are practicing both metric and customary mass and weight. So try to figure out these answers, see what's being asked, and come up with your best solution from eliminating the answers. And check this tomorrow in class.